5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good day, Medici.
Leonardo, I heard you were the best inventor in the land.
I am.
Well, I order you to make a pie, which is better than rock melon pie.
It is not possible.
You will do it, I order you.
Okay, if you order. Gonna make one better.
Try this.
That's right. What is it?
Catwood.
It'll have to do.
They won't tell the difference.
Tastes just like rock melon.
They won't tell the difference. Just give it to them.
Okay. Cooking. Medici, I've created your pie.
Thank you. He didn't!
He did.
I shall poison his pie. Give me this captain.
As you wish.
Hey, assistant.
Care some more of your pie?
Of course. Do you know the Medici made me? He also destroyed me.